Okay, so I got it at 1 inch, 1 inch. Okay, like, so my concern is that it like, maybe 1 inch is too, what do you think? Yeah, maybe 1 inch is too far away. Let's try a 1/2 inch. Half inch, 1/2 inch. Tighten. I don't have it turned on. I don't have it plugged in yet. And then I'm thinking like this, but see, like this little thingy could pop straight up. Is this supposed to be able to do that? I would think that that little neck thingy would be tighter, but it doesn't. I'm just afraid it's gonna go like flying off and cut my head off or something. Maybe I'm like completely losing my mind here, but I don't think so. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. But we'll see. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go with this side square. Do we have time? We have time. We're gonna get the table saw out. Okay, so something I learned I was doing wrong is this thingy is up too high. I need to drop it. Not sure how I do that. But I realized when I was watching Steve, his was down much lower, and that's why he was able to use that micro jig or whatever. This goes down like there. Bet you that'll work much better. So how the heck do you get it back down? Whew. Okay. Without slicing your wrist. Okay. Now I gotta get my fingers out. Okay. Okay. Whew. And this time I'll wear ear protection because the router table was loud. And this is awfully wobbly. So once I get this in place, I'm next gonna try to get this beast level. Okay, so we got that. And then I'll chop it and then I'll do 45s. Okay, so, that's what I'm doing next. Okay, can you see? So I'm putting a line at 30. Okay. Yeah. 4 these things. Be right back. Okay. So my next thing is this is going to be the bottom. See? So I have to figure that out. So I got them like this. Not the straightest 45s, but can you see them all? Oh. I have to learn how to do this better. I want you guys to have a better look. Maybe that? Okay. Okay, so it's supposed to be that you put the blue tape on, then it'll come up real easily, right? It says multi-use. I really hope it's painter's tape and not like some other... Oh, it says duct tape. Okay, so it's not actually painter's tape. Okay. So then by doing that, it should go... Okay, much better. Okay, so it goes like that. And then this goes in here. Okay, so then type on 3. Type on 3. Okay. You don't want too much squeeze out because it's a pain in the butt to clean. Remember that. Okay. So we got this like this. Now we got to take this, wrap it all around. See? Okay, so it's dried overnight, so hopefully this works. And then let me lower you some. Hold still, it's not gonna hurt. The only thing is saying do that. Can you see me? I don't know, we'll figure this out. Okay, so I don't have a forehead. Oy vey. Is that like a compromise? Not really, kind of. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take plywood because I want to make a cover, a lid, and so see, I'm going to put it on there, and I'm going to give it a little bit of slack because I know that, you know, wood cuts everything down. Okay, so that was the lid I glued. I taped it instead of clamped it. Okay, so I got it all sanded down. I ended up using 120. I was going to use 220 grit, but it just wasn't doing nothing. So I did 120. It came out pretty decent. I mean, look at the underside. Much better than it looked before. Well, maybe I may sand that a little bit more right there because that's some leftover glue. So my next question is, do I stain this? Kind of thinking, I mean, I like that color and stuff, but where this is plywood, it doesn't really match. So I was thinking a little bit darker. What do you think? Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. But overall, I think it came out pretty good. So I'm going to go look at stain color. Okay, so what I've decided to go with is Early American. Can you see it? Early American. I thought that'd be like a good compromise. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so note for future self. See, look at the plywood. Look at the real wood. Very different. In the bottom I did plywood too, so see, it's all very blotchy. So leave a comment in the bottom if you know how I could have fixed it so it wouldn't have been blotchy. But so I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna attach the top. Okay, so here's the box. I'm sorry, I was looking at my pretty flowers too. But here's the box we made. Came out really nice. Other than I'm not a big fan of the plywood. I think I won't use plywood on a box again unless I'm gonna paint it. But the cover fits like it's supposed to. See? There it goes. See, I told you it fit. So it's nice. Oh, those are my pretty flowers. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching. I know it's kind of my first DIY video back after all the hurricane stuff. My next video is going to be a travel video. I'm going back home for a family thing. So I'm gonna take some nice video up there with the changing of the leaves and traveling around my hometown. So, but I'm getting better with squares. So, I hope this video made sense and it wasn't too chaotic. Okay, so talk to you soon.